Hey guys, I'm Sherry with Mother and Daughter Crafting, and today I've got a really fun one, a really awesome one, I think. This is Club Couture for June. A beautiful thing. So first of all, just get the transfer on there. Take my bright white paste, go all the way across, make sure you cover everything, and smooth out the lines. Put the extra back in your jar. And this is my favorite part. I love this. It's so nice and crisp design. That white on the chalkboard really pops. Now there's several flowers with this transfer, and this one I'm using all shimmer chalk paste. I have melon and shimmer olive on this particular one. And I'm just using that multi-purpose tool to get in those little small spaces. And you can take your time because it doesn't dry quite as fast as it used to. It used to take about 4 minutes, and you want to pull that up before it dries on your transfer. Now the hummingbird, I'm using a little bit of a few techniques, hot mess it's called. I think because it looks like a hot mess until you take the transfer off. I have shimmer splash and shimmer olive. And you just kind of make an S motion with your squeegee and get that all on there. And then the body of it, I used shimmer melon and a little bit of the shimmer splash on the beak. Or is it a beak? I don't know, that long thing sticking out. Then I took my finger and I blended the two colors in on the beak and on the wings. Ta-da! There it is. All right, there's another flower, and I'm going to do the theory of odd numbers, and I'm putting 3 of this flower in like a triangle space. It just makes it eye appealing. And after I get all those done, I want to take some twine, wrap it around the top, and I have a bow that I made, and I want to put that up on probably the upper left-hand corner, because I don't want to cover up the words. A beautiful thing is never perfect. Kind of space it out a little bit on the sides, tie my bow on there. And then with the twine, I like to unwind it, kind of frizz it up a little bit. And I'm going to trim all my ends on the bow, dovetail some of it, and just the rest of it on a slant. And it's done. Yay! I like it.